Consider the flow diagram showing organic reaction given below. Now, before you attempt to answer the questions, ngathi ungaqala u-analyze kuqala. Now, uma usuka la ku-reaction 1, usuka la ku-reaction 1, okay, usuka ngapha uza la. Check-a ukuthi benzeni. Mina ngokwami mangibuka la, ba-remove u-OH no-hydrogen ngoba kufomeke bani? U-water. So kube i-elimination le. Bese kuba khona i-major product la. Khumbule singaba ne-minor, singaba nani? Ne-major. So ake siyibuke kahle le nto le, mhlawumbe ake sithi ukuyi-draw nje kancane. So ngamanye amagama, for reaction 1 sino-CH3, sino-CH3, CH2, CH, OH, CH3. So sinento njena la, reaction 1. Bese siba ne-error. Bese siba ne-major product. I-major product-ke indaba ithi kufanele sikhiphe u-hydrogen la kuhlushekwe khona kakhulu for ukuze sikwazi ukukhanda soba no-red u-hydrogen, siphinde sibe no-hydrogen onjani? O-black. So mawucheka-ke la ukuthi imuphi u-hydrogen ofanele simkhiphe ukuze sikhande i-major product. Ngabe sikhipha lo mnyama noma sikhipha lo obomvu? For i-major product sokhipha lo njani? Obomvu. Ngoba mawucheka la o-hydrogen lababili lapha o-hydrogen sebebonke bangaki? Bathathu. So ukuze sikwazi ukukhanda i-major product kufanele silephule laphaya okuhlushekwe khona la kuno-hydrogen khona abancane. So our product will be like this. So should asithintanga laphaya. Asithintanga laphaya. So sithinte carbon number 2 na carbon number 3. So i-double bond izofomeka between bona-ke la besikhiphe kubo. So this one is the major product. And igama lakhona nje singalipha nje igama lakhona lilula. But-2-ene. But-2-ene. Butene. So uyifunde kahle into yakho, kufanele ufihle lo yathi njengoba bengishilo ukuthi iyafundeka yini, ungasho ukuthi butane. Mawusuthi wena butane sukuthi usu-butanene wena phela manje. Kufanele ukuthi kube u-butene. Mawufihla lo yathu lo yafanele into yakho ifundeke ithi butene. Wendaba. Okay. So sidinga okay, lena sihlobo le-reaction le. Fanele siyisho ukuthi hlobo le-reaction. Kodwa ngibona kuyi-dehydration. Dehydration ngoba sikhiphe ini? Water. Simphuce u-OH nobani? No-hydrogen. Safuna that is dehydration reaction. Yini esingayidinga as a catalyst? Kuno-carbon to oxygen. Safuma ngapha u-carbon bodwa. So once sabona oxygen lapha, so that is H2SO4. Sidinga H2SO4 as a catalyst. Okay, bese siba no reaction 2. Check-ke ku-reaction 2 somenza la okay, noma simenze khona nje la reaction 2. So ngeke kwi-alkene ngaso sonke isikhathi kwi-alkene la kune-double bond khona siya-add. Asikwazi ukuthi siphinde kuthiwa khona esifuna ukumphuca lana siya-eliminate. No, sekuhlushekwe vele kushodwa nga-two hydrogen. So ayikho enye option esinayo ukuthi sibreak leya pi bond leya. Funeke sibreak leya bond leya. Kube khona isikhala laphaya. Sibe nento enje. Umbuzo-ke uthi lento esizoyi-eda njengamanje ngoba sizo-eda u-BR, shuthi ba-ede bani la? Kungenzeka ba-ede u-HBr. Why ngithi ba-ede u-HBr? Ngoba uma kuyi-addition, we-add everything awushiyi lutho. U-eda konke awushiyi lutho. So if beku-Br2, shuthi bebezoba u-2 o-Br kulesi structure. Since u-Br uyedwa shuthi ba-ede bani? U-HBr. So must be ngabuza ukuthi what type of addition is this one? It is hydrohalogenation. This one is hydrohalogenation. Hydrohalogenation. Fanele wazi ukuthi njalo uma ngabe u-eda addition reaction, uma usu-eda kwi-alkene, yonke into osuke-eda uyi-eda yonke, awushiyi lutho. So since u-Br eyedwa kulesi structure, nange u-Br uyedwa. Inkinga njengamanje i-challenge esinayo ukuthi asazi ukuthi leyana ngabe i-major noma ngabe yini, kodwa kulula-ke uma usubuka usuka lapha uza la. Kulula ukubona ngoba u-OH u-carbon number 2 kukhona u-Br ngapha shuthi kwenzeke i-substitution. Uma kwenzeka i-substitution shuthi u-Br fanele azongena laphayana carbon number 2. Kodwa-ke vele kuyafana noma ngabe ungapha noma ngabe ungapha bezobe carbon number 2 ngoba besizoqala ngala khona u-Br. So kunankinga. So laphana sino-Br ngoba u-Br uzongena esikhundleni sabani? Sa-OH. Okay. Laphana-ke uma ubuka leya arrow, this is reaction 1, this is 2. Uma usuka uza laphana kwenzeke ini? I-substitution reaction eyenzeke la. Reaction. What kind of a substitution reaction? It is hydrohalogenation. Nangapha i-hydrohalogenation. So uma sisuka-ke mawubuka lezi structure lezi guys, usuka laphana ku-OH uza ku-Br, fanele ku-add i-base and i-base yakho must be a strong base. Mawucheka-ke simuva from single bonds to single bonds. Ngaso sonke isikhathi if you are moving from single bond to single bond, it must be ama-condition wethu fanele sibe nani? Ne-dilute heat. Askis ne-mild heat, not dilute heat. It must be a mild heat. Mild heat. Siphinde sibe nani? Ne-dilute. Dilute strong base. Example ye-base ingaba KOH or LiOH or NaOH. Ngaso sonke isikhathi masuka ku-OH siza ku-Br sidinga i-base. And low base leyo since kwenzeka i-substitution fanele ibe njani? Ibe diluted. Ngaso sonke isikhathi if we are moving from single bonds to single bonds, it must be a dilute strong base. If we are moving from single bonds to a double bond, meaning we're eliminating. So it must be a concentrated base. Okay. Ngisayibamba leyo ndaba leyo. So eka-reaction bani leyo? Eka-reaction 3 ama-conditions wakhona. Okay, mhlambe sesingazama manje ukuphendula ama-questions that but name the type of elimination for reaction 1 bese sishilo sathi dehydration. Name the formula of the inorganic reagent needed, sishilo sathi H2SO4. Use a balanced equation using a structural formula of organic compound for reaction 1. Yikho lokhu esikwenzile. Lo kusuka la uzofika la. Futhi besidinga loya. Ungakhohlwa ukutaza no-water plus water la. Kodwa phela u-water uyazi nawe kuzoba kanje. Water kanje. Structural formula. Kusuka lapha uzala lo laza no-water. Uzothola loya 4 marks loya. Now, reaction 2. Name the type of reaction taking place. Reaction 2. That is addition. About addition. What type of addition? Hydrohalogenation. Write down the structural formula and IUPAC name of the major product formed for reaction 2. So, for reaction 2, igama lala lizothini? Esingalibhala nje phela. Igama lakhona lizothini? Lizothi 2-bromo butane. Uyadweba ushigambo 4 marks ekabantekela ama-mark la. Nanipha nje. Now, bathi-ke consider reaction 3. Write down 2 reaction conditions needed. Bese siwabhalile. For reaction 3 ama-reaction conditions now. Mild heat, dilute strong base. Ngaba i-base yakho KOH or ukhethe yodwa. Uma ukhethe i-KOH is okay. Lithium hydroxide or sodium hydroxide is okay. Sengiyekususa-ke lokhu. So ibalulekile analysis before uphendula ama-questions cause uyakuthola ithuba lokukhumbula konke okufundile ukubhale before uyodistractwa yini ama-questions. So ithini indaba ethi octane can be cracked according to the following incomplete equation. 2 straight chain organic compounds C4Hy and C4Hz are now passed through bromine water at room temperature in a darkened room. The following observation are made. Now you have experiment 1 and experiment 2. Now, but again, for experiment 1, when compound C4Hy is bubbled through the bromine water, no changes are observed. So akukho ma-changes enzekayo laphaya mangabe befaka leya compound laphaya. Mangabe befaka u-C4Hz laphaya, when compound C4Hz is bubbled through the bromine water, the yellowish color of the bromine water immediately turns colorless and bubbles are observed in the flask. So, ukuze mangabe sifaka i-compound ku-bromine water, ukuze kube khona ushintsho luba khona, kufanele kube ukuthi leyo compound leyo ine-double bond. Ukuze loya bromine water ezokhona ukureact. Kufanele ukuthi kube khona ini i-double bond. Okay. So ake si-analyze le ndaba le. Lana 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we are breaking larger and longer molecules into simpler and smaller and more useful molecules. So le nto mayibreykeka kufomeka ama-compound awu-2 esingawazi ukuthi lama-compound lawa eyiphi ene-double bond, eyiphi enganayo i-double bond. Kodwa esikwaziyo ukuthi lo munye uHZ uC4HY, lo munye uC4HZ. Why ngithi loyana uyi-alkane loya? Ingoba simfaka laphaya alukho ushintsho luba khona. Usuthi u-saturated akakhona uku-reacta naloya Br loya. Kanti loyana masimfaka laphaya ikhala ye-solution iyashintsha. Shuthi lo besimfaka uyini? Uyi-double bond. Shuthi lo uyi-double bond lo. U-C4HZ uyi-double bond. Ileyo ndlela esibone ngayo-ke. Bathi-ke i-question yokuqala ithini? Ithi define cracking. What is cracking? It is the breaking down of long chain hydrocarbon molecule into more useful shorter chains. 2 marks. Now, bathini-ke lana? Give a reason why experiment 1 and 2 is carried out in a darkened room. So, why siyenza njalo? It is because we want to minimize the UV light present. Senzela ukuthi ukukhanya kungangeni, i-light ingangeni lapha, ningakho sisebenzisa i-room elinjani eli-dark. We are trying to minimize the UV light present. Or no substitution reaction can occur in the saturated hydrocarbon. So khumbule lo saturated masimfaka laphaya kuzovele kwenzeke ini i-substitution laphaya. U-Br uzokhipha u-hydrogen laphaya kufomeke enye into. Gcina le experiment yethu ingasabonakali kahle ngoba u-Br fanele a-reacte la kunani kune-double bond khona kuphela. Mangabe sezo-reacta nalaphaya experiment yethu ngeke sisakhona ukuyibona kahle ngoba once safaka loya kuzovele kwenzeke ini i-substitution if kune-light. Kanti akufuneki ukuthi loyana e-react. Loyana fanele enga-react, fanele kungabikho ushintsho laphaya uma ngabe kuyi-saturated hydrocarbon. Fanele u-Br enga-react naleyo saturated hydrocarbon. So if kune-light, le light le izokwenza ukuthi kube khona i-reaction, kanti leya reaction asifuni ibe khona. So ingakho-ke zama ngayo yonke indlela ukuthi ku-dark kule room le kwenziwa yona kule experiment lena. Now sebethini-ke guys? Sebethi compound C4HY undergoes the following reaction. Now check nje lapha u-C4HY bafaka bani u-Cl2 in the presence of bani of UV light sithola ini? A primary haloalkane. So kwenzeke ini? I-substitution. Masingayenza nje leya reaction kwenzeka i-substitution in the presence of what? Of UV light. So nansi yaleya nto leya. Bathathe loya kwaba khona i-UV light as a catalyst base behlanganisa nobani? No-C2. Ukhumbuleke if kuyi-substitution sifaka okukodwa, asikufaki konke. Sifaka konke uma ngabe kuyini? Kuyi-addition, kune-double bond. manje siya-substitute-a, sikhipha omunye, sifake umphathi eyi-primary, kusho ukuthi u-Cl u-carbon number 1, plus bani? U-HCl. So, kusho ukuthi labo Cl babili, omunye uthathe u-hydrogen oyedwa, omunye bazokhanda bani? U-HCl. So, i-reaction 1 eyenzeke laphaya in the presence of what? Of UV light. Le nto ebesiyibalekela lapha nithi ingenzeki ubromine, ubromine ayithole se-attached laphaya bese kuphazamisa i-experiment yethu. Yingakho-ke i-light besingalifunda. Now, sekuthiwa-ke write down the structural formula of compound Z. So, njalo compound C4HZ. Nangu C4HZ. Nangu nguye lo. Ansaya laphaya manje. Bathini-ke ngapha ngezansi? Combustion reaction of compound C4HY using a molecular formula. Bathi asibhale i-combustion reaction yalo. Bhala i-combustion reaction yakhe. So kulula-ke. Ngiyasula la. Nansi into esizoyenza bafowethu. Uzobala o-carbon bangaki laphaya? 1, 2, 3, 4. Using molecular formula. No-carbon abangaki? Aba-4. O-hydrogen bangaki? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. H 10. Bese umfaka kuphi? Ngeke phela ube khona umlilo oxygen ungekho. Bese kuzophuma ubani? Carbon dioxide plus bani? H2O. Ama-product lawana we-combustion reaction kufanele uhlezi wazi. Singayibangi-ke nje leyo nto leyo. So this is H2O plus. Hey. Now, into yokuqala ozoyenza nje, ungakenzi lutho nje, uzogijima uzobeka u-2 laphaya. Gijima uzobeka u-2 la. So bese uyabala, sebebangaki o-carbon bakho? Kuleli side elingaka, sebeba u-8 o-carbon. So uzobeka u-8 laphaya. Bhalansisa u-carbon. Okwesibili uzobhalansisa bani? U-hydrogen. Bangaki u-hydrogen bakho? 10 times 2. So bengaki kuleli side elingaka? Bawu-20. Nangapha uzokwenza sure ukuthi ababe-20. Shuthi uzobeka bani la? Uzobeka u-10 laphaya. Hydrogen bakho nabo bebengaki? Bebe-20 o-hydrogen. Isikhala sami lapha bafowethu siyangilimaza. Isikhala sami siyangilimaza. So u-plus lo 10. Yeah. Sibeka u-10 lapha. So sebeba u-20 nala o-hydrogen. Nangapha o-hydrogen bawu-20. So sesibheka-ke manje egcineni sesibhalansisa ubani? Oxygen. 80 times 80 times 2. 8 times 2, that is 16 plus 10 times 1. There's one high oxygen lapha, 10. So 16 plus 10 ubani lo? 16 plus 10 kuskipela ubani? 26. Bese uthatha lo ya-2 divide ngaye la. Kuskipela 13. Uthatha lo ya-13 umbeka lapha. So now the equation is balanced. Combustion reaction. Bayakupha nje lo ya-3 marks lo ya. Ningakhohlwa bafethu ukusubscribe nokulayika. Siyabonga ithuba.